I love this type of weather, babe.
Me too.
You know what I love doing in this type of weather?
What's that?
Messing around.
So, how's your day?
Damn, girl! You got a fella! Sorry, babe. I didn't mean for this to happen. Let's just run off the distance.
Hey, babe. What are you wearing?
What do you mean?
We were supposed to match today. I texted you about this. Like we were supposed to match for the party.
I thought that was tomorrow.
No, babe. We're not doing anything tomorrow. The party's today. We're supposed to match.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Why do you do this, Sonia? You're so frustrating. Let's just go.
Dig. No.
Yo, come on.
No,
bro.
no.
Oh,
Two.
I said no.
nothing.
I said no,
I said-
okay?
Oh, my. Jesus. Oh, sorry about that.
Would you like to go to dinner with me? I mean us?
Yeah. Let me check with him.
Oh, then we have that thing at...
My grandma?
Nah, but I don't really want to go anyways.
Yeah, I don't think we have to go.
Yeah, no. We're available.
But what about the party?
I don't want to go to the party, especially if you dress like that. We need a match.
Also, at around what time?
Would you like to come at around 7?
Sounds good.
Sounds good, sounds good.
See you guys there. We're so glad you guys could make it. I'm Harry, and this is Chloe. What are your names?
I'm Oliver, and he's Nick.
That's great. Nice to meet you guys. So how long have you been living
Excuse me,
here?
hi, welcome to Bistro Beital. What would you like to eat?
Oh, I'll take a Cheetos and my partner over
I'll
here.
order for myself. Thank you. I'll have some Doritos.
Alright,
We'll take those.
alright, I'll be right back.
Thank you. What was I saying? I forgot. What type of hobbies do you have, Oliver?
I like fashion.
You do?
Yeah.
I love fashion. It's a very passion of mine. Well, what kind of fashion do you like?
Mainly clothing. I really love men's and women's clothing.
Yeah, me too. Chloe, she doesn't really like fashion all that much, so it kind of bothers me.
You guys into any sports?
Ew, sports is disgusting.
Well, I love sports.
Really? What's your favorite basketball player?
LeBron James.
Oh, mine is Dwayne Wade. Oliver never had a thing for sports.
Good job, Oliver. Sports are very.
Got the food. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Why can't you be more like Oliver? He likes fashion.
Yeah, why can't you be more like Chloe, bro? She loves basketball.
Whatever. Let's just enjoy the meal.
Alright.
That was an amazing meal.
Yeah, the food here is amazing.
I rate 10 out of 10.
It was delicious.
Oh, Oliver, we have to go.
Let's go.
Well, thank you for having us. It was a great dinner. Pleasure meeting all of you.
Pleasure meeting you too. Especially you, Oliver.
You too.
Alright, bye, Chloe.
Bye, Nate.
Bye, Harry.
Why can't you be more like Oliver?
I'm just not into clothing.
Why not? Oh, you're so frustrating sometimes. Why don't you like the stuff that I like?
And sports? What about Nate?
Whatever, man. I don't care about that stuff. Oliver's so perfect and you're so not. I don't even like you anymore. I don't want to be with you anymore. Like, leave.
Okay.
Today was great, man. The dinner was amazing.
It really was. You know what else was amazing?
Chloe.
Harry.
What? No. Chloe loved basketball. She loves sports and she shared all my interests.
What do you think Harry was to me? He shares all my interests too. He shares fashion,
Well,
clothing.
why wouldn't you go be with him?
Maybe I
Go be
will.
with- no, you know
Maybe
what?
I
I'm
will.
done with you.
No, I'm out.
Wow, awkward finding you all alone here. Where's Harry?
We broke up last night.
Oh, really? Oh, I broke up with Oliver last night too.
Yeah.
If you want, I mean, we could like hang out sometime.
That sounds nice.
Hey, Harry.
I broke up with Chloe. I don't know. She just wasn't for me.
Hey, Nate.
Would you like to, I don't know, maybe be together?